She's a self-taught artist living overseas, but it all started right here in Jamaica for her. Lisania Chang Murray joins us now to talk about her passion and to walk us through her pieces. Welcome, Lisania, to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so let's start. Let's start from the beginning. Here in Jamaica, because I'm
Mhm.
guessing this is where you kind of first touch base with the passion that you have. How did you?
Yes.
How did it happen? At school, at home?
So it actually started from home. I was drawing a lot ever since I was about 4 or 5. When I got to high school, I started delving more into painting and not just drawing, printmaking. But my focus more led to painting, especially painting family portraits, painting portraits that or just pieces that are indigenous to Jamaica, because I believe that's what my passion is or is surrounded on.
Yeah. Went to Arden High School.
Yes.
And I'm mentioning that because Arden seems to have a very successful creative program. We're seeing singers, dancers, actors, artists. How did that environment help to shape your love and your passion and your competence in art? You did it at the CSEC level.
Yes, I did it at the CSEC level. I think that Arden has, well, at the time, it had teachers in different areas of art that would help you to hone whatever skill that you have. So whether it's music, dance, or visual art, they really do have the teachers there to help you with your performing art skill
Yeah.
or visual art skill.
Yeah.
So it was good to experience that.
Yeah, no, it fascinates me. I think it's something that's worth researching and studying. So you left
Thank you.
Jamaica. You left Jamaica after high school?
I left Jamaica in the middle of university, and yes, I came over here. In Jamaica, I was studying engineering. Here, I'm studying marketing.
What?
I wanted to focus a bit more on business and my passion and being able to market it.
All right. So engineering to marketing. Now you're here. How is it going in Canada in terms of your art?
It's going pretty good so far. It really just started as a hobby during the quarantine. And then I thought, why not make a video and post it? And ever since then, I've been getting a few requests for commissions while going to school, while working. So it's still just a hobby right now. And I guess somewhat turned into a portrait service. So hence this,
Yeah.
the pieces that I have so far.
Listen, portrait's not easy, Lisania, because I like to tell people when you it's not just drawing a face, you have to capture the personality through the eyes and everything. So let's talk a little bit about the pictures now that are on screen. Right. So my tropical art illustration, acrylic paintings on canvas. So this one's a Mother's Day portrait. Tell me about it.
So this is actually a painting of my mom.
Oh.
And for around the time of Mother's Day, I wanted to do paintings, portrait paintings for persons who might be interested in having paintings for their moms as well. So I thought, okay, I will start with doing one of my mom. This one is a 11 by 20, I believe, on canvas. So it's right here, done in oil painting.
Wow. Wow.
Oil.
The fact that it's done in oil, man, enough respect. And here we have another one.
So this one is a birthday commission. A friend of mine from high school, she lives in the US, and she wanted a birthday commission, well, a birthday portrait for her friend. She sent me the photo over Instagram, and yeah, I went ahead and created this one. It was a large piece. I believe it was 24 by 36 oil on canvas. Yeah.
No, that's huge. 24 by 36. And you're saying it's from the picture and you did this.
Yes.
No, listen, but you're talented man. How long did this take?
So this one, because of the quality of the photo, I was able to do it in like 3 days. Get through the sketches and the first layer of paint. It did take a little bit longer because I was trying to create a background, but I decided to leave it blank and just leave the focus on
The
the
photo.
birthday girl and her son.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And so that's how you do. People from all over the world can commission pieces and you do them and wow. Shipping and
Yes.
handling and they have it. All right, do we have some more pictures?
Yes. All right, so
Oh,
this one is a friend of mine that I met here. She wanted a family portrait for Valentine's Day. So
wow.
this one's a smaller piece, oil on canvas with her husband, and her son.
In the right shirt.
Yes.
Hmm, hmm.
They wanted to take the photo in that football shirt.
Yes, yes. Good family. Go Team Barnett. You know football. Yes, Sarah. Oh, talk to me about this.
So this one is from a client here in Toronto. She is Nigerian. She wanted a portrait of her grandmother. So she sent me the photo. I went ahead and did a crop of the photo just to do the head and shoulders so that
Hmm,
it's nicely framed, and then give it a vignette finish around the edges.
hmm. And so people can determine what size they want, if they want it to be like a desktop or a large portrait.
Exactly. So it can be a small frame like this one,
Hmm,
or it can be a large portrait like the birthday one that we spoke about before.
hmm.
The process, pretty much, they would let me know the photo, when they expect it by, which is kind of tricky because you can't really determine that with paintings,
Right.
as well as the size of the canvas, if they want it in color, if they want the background. And yeah, so all of that takes place.
All of that takes place. All right. The last one we saw was, tell me about that one as well. Um, oh, here's another.
So this is a birthday commission, actually my cousin. She had a birthday party this last year, sorry, and she wanted a portrait oil on canvas. She had butterflies already in her hair, so I just kind of repeated the same thing and did something a little bit creative with the background.
Hmm.
I did a few stars here and there.
So what if I took a picture of my floor manager, Lisa, and I said, look, Lisania, she don't have no hair, so you have to put on that kind of hair and put butterflies in it. And can I send you a face and say, listen, this is what I want added to it?
I've had a similar request, so I think yes, that can definitely happen. One of the portraits, I'm not sure if I sent in that photo, but the person wanted a birthday commission where the face was the actual girl and the body was Wonder Woman. So I've had something similar to that, not necessarily a physical feature changing, but
Hmm.
yeah, just the suit to be
Yes.
Wonder Woman. Yeah.
Yes, yes. It's lovely. And portraits are just a great way of capturing, and sustaining. You know,
Yes.
once it's
From
oil,
memory.
it's done, and you keep that forever. And so that's so beautiful. Do you have an Instagram handle? Well, yes, because you say your friend reached out on Instagram. Where do we find you?
So you can find me at lisania.art on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. And there's also my website, lisania.art. Well, www.lisania.art.
www.lisania, Lisania, folks, .art. Reach
Thank
out,
you.
give her a call. You know how I always say support our young people, especially when they're out there trying to make a name for themselves and by extension, brand Jamaica. Because people are going to say
Exactly.
Jamaican artist Lisania Chung Murray. That's how it works. So we have to
And I
help.
think Jamaica fuses through my art as well. It actually took a while for me to see that. I
Yes,
was doing mostly pieces that are, as I said, indigenous to Jamaica, landscapes, flowers. It's just something I guess I can't help.
yes.
Yeah.
Jamaica is the muse, man. Thank you so much, Lisania. It was such a pleasure to
Thank
meet
you.
you.
Same here. Very nice to meet you. Thank you so much for
All
the opportunity.
right. If I'm not even gonna try the Arden Mata and spoil it because Miss Malloy would have my head. Lisania Chung Murray, visual artist.